As semiconductor nodes continue to advance, achieving high yields becomes increasingly tricky. It is due to several factors, such as process variation, complexity, and defects. Process variation at advanced nodes can also occur in a highly controlled semiconductor manufacturing environment. These variations can accumulate throughout the manufacturing process, leading to defects and other reliability issues that impact yield. Advanced processes also suffer from patterning-based defects and can be challenging to identify and diagnose, and often are costly to fix, leading to respinning. To address these challenges, semiconductor manufacturers use various techniques, including detailed design for manufacturing process flow. They are also adopting improved computational approaches to develop new methods for identifying and diagnosing defects. The semiconductor customers expect to use advanced nodes like 3 nanometers for some of the critical silicon chips. However, the path to achieving it is more challenging than it seems, which is also why only a select few semiconductor manufacturers can develop it. However, from a yield point of view, there is still a long way to prove in the new process.